everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the finishing lab. Well, I guess welcome to the blasting lab. That's right. Today we are here at my shop and I've been working the last month. You guys didn't seem too interested behind the scenes of this, but I've been working the last 2 months, month and a half on the blasting lab. The blasting lab is the new venture that I'm getting into, and today we have a 2-post lift going in here that will lift the Super Beast. That's right, we're gonna be able to work on the cars here now. The Corvair is gonna have a place that I can work on. So we do have one of the blasting cabinets already here. I'm expecting any day the dry ice blasting. We also have the wet and dust or sand blasting mobile unit. So a lot has been going on, but today I thought I would bring you guys along with Pacific Lift and show you guys the install of this. How tall is this thing? Isn't it like 13 and a half feet?
Yeah, about 13 and a half feet.
13 and a half feet. We have 17-foot ceiling, so it is a big monster. 14,000 pound capacity. So like I said, we can lift the Super Beast. That was the one requirement. But let's get these guys to work, and electricians are going to be here. So you guys are going to see a lot of in and out, and I just hope you guys enjoy the video of the install of the new 2-post lift here at the blasting lab. All right, well, there we have it. The all-new 12,000 pound, extra tall, extra wide rotary lift here at the blasting lab. And you guys can see we're already getting equipment. We've been waiting for equipment. The dry ice blasting is supposed to have been here 2 days ago. And I don't know, I can't seem to get anything out of these guys. But the lift is here, it's installed. We have like 6 inches. Is like the measurements were so spot on this thing, but super happy. But I guess let's break it in proper. Let's pull the Super Beast in, because the Super Beast was the only one requirement that I needed to make sure that this thing would lift. So I brought the Super Beast today. Let's get it in here and see if it fits. Well, there you guys have it. Takes a little bit just to get the balance points together. I'll have to sort that out. If you guys are cringing and me being under this, I think it's pretty safe. But the Super Beast is all the way up on the lift. And I have to tell you, the excitement level of being able to have my own lift finally, it kind of takes you into the next level. So we're here. So the idea behind the lift being here is now we will be able to get up under this, not only just to be able to work on my own things. I got some tidying up to do from some wiring in here, but I got to clean up some rust. Thank you, Ford, for that. But I'm just super excited. The idea is, again, the dry ice blasting we'll be able to do under the car. So you guys may have seen IM detailing. If you guys haven't seen IM detailing, I'm gonna link them down below because they're SoCal and they're like next level to what I would love to be at some point. But you know, this gives us the opportunity again to be able to get under the cars, work on the cars, clean the cars, and just basically go to the next level. So here it is, the all new lift here at the blasting lab, the finishing lab, the Super Beast. It was the only requirement. And you know, shit, I think we're all the way up. And we still have 3 feet that we can go above this, and I'm completely under it. So the all new lift. Thank you guys for sticking around. I know it's not the motorcycle stuff. I wanted to give you guys an update, but thank you guys for sticking around. I've got some more stuff coming, so stay tuned and do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell notification soon. If you guys want to go ahead and do it now, if you guys have stuck around, you guys are OG people, thank you. Head over to the Blasting Labs YouTube channel. We have no videos up, but hit the subscribe button over there. Start getting me some subscribes over there because we're gonna start taking this to the next level. But thank you again for everything, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.